If you've checked your email at all over the last week, you've probably noticed that a lot of brands are getting ready for their Labor Day sales. Some of them claim it's the second biggest sale that they're gonna have all year aside from Black Friday, which we actually kind of question. But in all honesty, if you're in the market for a power station or some solar gear, right now might actually be the best time to buy, and here's why. Welcome back to the lab where our opinions cannot be bought. Given that it is almost September, you would assume most people who are gonna be spending any large amount of money coming up are probably gonna hold off until Black Friday. But in our experience, Labor Day is arguably a better time to buy. During Black Friday, typically we see a lot of products go out of stock. There's usually massive shipping delays due to the amount of products that are actually being ordered. And in our experience doing this, we don't really see much of a big difference between right now and Black Friday in terms of actual pricing. It seems like most brands run generally the same kind of sale now and Black Friday. So if you order now, you get what you want at a solid discount and you get it 2.5 months sooner. But that's just our opinion. You guys do whatever you want. Like every other sales period, Tiny Baby went out and arm wrestled all these brands to make sure that our coupon codes stack on top of the sales that they are already having to make sure that you guys save as much money as possible on some of this expensive gear. Of course, using our discount codes earns us a small bit of affiliate commission, but it doesn't cost you guys any more. It actually saves you money. We're gonna talk about power stations and solar gear in one video today. So make sure you guys check out the timestamps on the video if you're looking for a specific brand or product. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop blabbing. Let's jump into some of the sales that are going on. Starting with Signature Solar, this is the go-to place that you're gonna wanna go to buy EG4 products like inverters, batteries. They have solar kits with other top manufacturers, and they also have panels. They can sell them by the pallet. You guys can get really good deals if you buy tons of panels from Signature Solar. Right now, they're basically having a 3% off site-wide.
That really adds up.
They also have like a tiered kind of sale. So it's like you spend $5,000, you get $150 off. You spend $7,000, you get $250 off. You spend $10,000, you get $500 off. And you get free shipping if you spend more than $7,000. All those sales are supposed to automatically apply when you guys are shopping. Plus, you can use our code, TheSolarLab50OFF, for an additional $50 off anything on their website, which is kind of cool. So if you're looking for EG4 LL batteries, Power Pro batteries, inverters, FlexBoss, GridBoss, anything that you guys are looking for that Signature Solar has, go ahead, slap our code in there and save yourself an additional 50 bucks. Next up, we're gonna take a look at Pecron. We have been pretty big fans of Pecron here at the lab this last year. They've been releasing some pretty good new products. They perform pretty well, and honestly, they're like half the price of the competition all the time. And at the price of a Pecron, you almost can't go wrong. So now Pecron is notorious for always having their units on sale. It's kind of hard to say if this sale is better than any sale that they've ever had before, or even just a permanent sale price. But what I can tell you is basically everything right now is gonna be 50 to 60% off. So that includes some of our favorite power stations from them, like the E3600, the F3000, and the E1000. There's a little bit of everything there, so if you're looking for something for light home backup or just portable camping use, they've got something that you can grab. Plus, you get free shipping to the mainland US, and if you use the code TheSolarLab5, you save an additional 5% off anything on their website. So go ahead and stack that code onto any of the sales that they have going right now. We double checked these, and it looks like the sales that they're having, the pricing they have right now is better than what they did on Prime Day, which is great.
They're gonna go out of business, dude.
And it's also pretty much the same as what they did last Black Friday. So I would say if you're gonna get a Pecron, don't hesitate. Now's a great time. Talking about EcoFlow, they actually didn't communicate their sales with us ahead of time, even though we asked. And we also mystery shopped them this year, and we found that their customer support,
it's not good.
It's not good. We haven't recommended you guys buy directly from EcoFlow due to the fact that if you have a problem calling them, it just doesn't get you anywhere. We've been recommending that you get units from Shop Solar. Not only does Shop Solar have great prices, but they also have good customer support, and they make really good bundles. So if you're trying to buy a Delta Pro Ultra with some panels, you don't have to get it with the really expensive EcoFlow panels. You go ahead and get it with some other aftermarket, not name brand panel, and it's significantly cheaper and it works just the same.
And they give you all the wiring and the diagrams and everything you need to get set up and supported, and they're actually pretty good.
Not bad. So if you go on Shop Solar's website, you can use the code TheLab4. This gets you 4% off anything under $2,000. It's a tiered thing. I don't love tiered things. I'm sorry, this is how it works. It looks like they have a 5% code just floating around on their website. So if you use the 5% code, it'll save you a little extra money. If you use the 4% code, it'll
Feed tiny baby.
Feed tiny baby. Anyways, the rest of their deals are you use this code that looks like a transport truck, and it'll get you $151 off of anything over $2,000. The same code, but with a different ending. Okay, you got $252 off anything over $4,000, and then another code with another new ending, $404 off anything over $10K. These codes translate to the better deal than the one they have on their website. All three of these transport truck looking codes are like 7%, and their default code on their site is like 5%. So those ones are worth it. Plus, you get free shipping on all of the EcoFlow kits, and it's a great place to get some of your favorite EcoFlow products: Delta Pro Ultra, Delta Pro 3, anything with the name Delta, a lot of things with the name Pro, even the River. Great location for shopping. And just like Signature Solar, Shop Solar has traditional solar kits as well. You can get inverters, batteries, panels, all bundled on their website, and these codes do apply to those kits as well. Next up, we got Anker Solix. Right now, you can get up to 61% off Anker Solix's entire website. They have some wicked deals on some of our favorite units, like the F3800, the F3800 Plus, the F3000, which is their new, smaller version that we actually really like, the C800 and the C300, which are great options for camping or charging devices on the go. And right now, you can get an additional 5% off with our code, the SolarLabPD. Are we sure they didn't typo like LD and they clicked P? And it's supposed to be Labor Day? Because PD doesn't make any sense.
I'm gonna try it right now. Yep, it works.
PD works?
Yep, PD works, dude.
Tiny Baby tested. The SolarLab PD is Anker's code, 5% off. Additionally, anything they have on sale, go check it out. And for everybody else that we didn't mention, for example, Jackery, they have some great units with their Explorer 5000. That was actually one of my favorite things that they released this year. Bluetti, who blacklisted us for being honest and transparent about the quality of their products. Love it. They also have brands in the traditional solar space like Rich Solar, which we recommend their batteries and stuff like that all the time. Those Shop Solar codes work site-wide. So if you're looking for something that we didn't talk about, Shop Solar sells a ton of different portable power stations as well as a ton of other stuff. Check out Shop Solar, that probably has the widest variety, and those Signature Solar codes will also double back on anything else on their website. So if you're looking for like a big kit, I would go to Signature Solar. If you're looking for a smaller kit or something that's a portable power station paired with panels, that kind of thing, check out Shop Solar. Find the MisFits on there and use our codes to save some money on the MisFits. We will make sure to leave links in the description to all of the products and discounts that we talk about, so you guys can go down there and just click a quick link, copy a quick code, save yourself some money the easy way. Peace out and stay charged.
I'm gonna go eat some chicken wings.
Chicken wings, hot dog and bologna.
Alright, we did it.
This little man's my homie. He smells like bologna. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna.